In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use canned responses for faster ticket replies. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a reusable message, save it with the right settings, and drop it into a ticket in just a couple of clicks. Start on your help desk dashboard and head to the admin section. From there, scroll to Agent Productivity and open Canned Responses. If you don't see this option, you might need the right permissions, so check with your admin. This is the central place where all reusable messages live, and it's designed to help teams respond consistently and quickly. Next, click New Canned Response. This opens the editor where you'll build your template. Think of this as your drafting table for messages you use often. Greetings, status updates, follow-ups, anything you find yourself typing repeatedly. Now enter the details. Give your canned response a clear title. This is for internal use. So make it easy to recognize later, like billing follow-up or password reset instructions. If you want the ticket subject to be pre-filled when you insert this response, add a subject. This is optional but handy for consistency. Then write your response body, which is the actual message agents will insert into tickets. Keep it clear, friendly, and adaptable. For example, title, greeting response. Response body, hello, or customer name. Thanks for reaching out. We'll get back to you shortly. Notice that this sets a professional tone and leaves room for agents to add specifics if needed. If you'd like to personalize the message automatically, add placeholders. Use items like customer name or ticket ID so the system can fill in real values when you insert the response. Just make sure your placeholders match the exact format your platform expects and keep them relevant to the context of the message. Decide on visibility. Choose private if this response is just for you, ideal for drafts or personal workflows. Choose shared if you want the entire team to use it, which helps standardize language and reduce errors across agents. Click Save to store your canned response for future use. It will now appear in your list and be ready whenever you need it. To use your new canned response, open a ticket, click Insert Canned Response, and select the one you created. The text will drop right into the reply, with placeholders replaced by real customer and ticket details. Give it a quick review, make any final tweaks, and send. That's it. You've set up a canned response, tailored it with placeholders, saved it with the right visibility, and used it in a live ticket. Keep your titles consistent, review templates regularly, and you'll keep responses fast, accurate, and on brand.